Today I'm going to show you how to make letter J portrait design in Adobe Photoshop. The first step is go to File and create a new document. Make the width 5760 pixels, the height 3840, the resolution 200 pixels, inch, the color mode RGB color 8-bit, and the background contents white. Then click Create. Click on the adjustment layer icon and gradient. Click the gradient box. Open the Basics preset folder and choose the black and white. Double-click lower left color stop slider. In the color picker, I'll type in A, 5, B, C, D, and A. Then click OK on both windows. Under the style, radial. The angle, 0 degree. The scale, 150%. Check the reverse, and then click OK. Open your horizontal type tool. Go to Window, and open the character panel. The font, I'm using the Montserrat. The font style, semi. The font size, 1200. Click the color. In the color picker, I'll type in E, 1, B, 7, 8, and D. Then click OK. Close the character panel. Click on your document and type out letter J. Open your Move tool. And position the text in the center. Go to File, Place Embedded, and place the model. Go to Layer panel. Decrease the opacity to 50%. Right-click inside the Free Transform box. And flip horizontal. Drag these handles to resize and position the model and match it to your letter J. When you're happy with your photo size and position, hit Enter or Return on the keyboard. Set the opacity back to 100%. Right-click on the model layer and create clipping mask. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Go to Select, and Subject. Open your polygonal lasso tool. Click Add to Selection. Click the Subtract from Selection. When you're finished, add Layer Mask icon. Open the Brush tool, and Brush Picker. Choose the hard round brush. The opacity, 100%. And the flow, 100%. Click the foreground color, and make sure black. Then click OK. Select the layer mask of model copy. Hold Ctrl and click on the thumbnail of the text layer to make a selection around the text. Go to Select, to invert selection, and paint with black to erase the extras. Go back to Select, and deselect to remove selection. Select the model layer. Click Add Layer Mask icon. Make sure the foreground color is black. Paint with black to reveal their text colors. Select the text layer. Click the FX icon and blending options. Click Stroke. Make the size 15 pixel. The position outside. The blend mode normal. The opacity 70%. Click the color box. In the color picker, choose white. Then click OK. Add drop shadow. The blend mode multiply. The color black. The opacity 40%. Check Use global light. The angle 90 degree. The distance 55 pixel. The spread, 55%. The size, 10 pixel. And then click OK. Select the top layer. Open your horizontal type tool. In character panel, change the font style, medium. The font size, 50. The letter spacing, 1700. Click the text color. In the color picker, choose black. Then click OK. Close the character panel. Click on your document and type out your text. Open your Move tool. Move your text to a position you like. Go to Layer panel, press Ctrl J to duplicate text layer. Drag the text copy beneath the letter J. Open your text tool. And then edit the text. And this is the result.